Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Daily FX Market News. September 25, 7 o'clock America, New York. US dollar post-FOMC performance hinges on slew of US data. The update to the US Consumer Price Index, CPI, is likely to sway the US dollar during the Federal Reserve's blackout period as the central bank braces for a transitory rise in inflation.
Naked Capitalism. September 25, 6:08 America, New York, when McDonald's came to Denmark. How Danish workers got McDonald's to comply with local labor practices, including high wages. Naked Capitalism. September 25, 5:45 America, New York, federal police reform talks have failed, but local efforts stand a better chance of success. Federal police reform was unlikely to go anywhere, but what might succeed?
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 25, 5:30 America, New York. Stablecoins in spotlight as U.S. begins to lay ground for cryptocurrency rules. Sponsors say stablecoins are safe, but regulators are concerned about potential risks to financial stability. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 25, 5:30 America, New York. Chinese pig prices are no longer flying high. After 2 years of soaring pork prices, China now faces the opposite problem, a depressed market for the staple.
New York Times Business. September 25, 5 o'clock America, New York. Long hours, low pay, loneliness and a booming industry. The ranks of home health aides are expected to grow more than any other job in the next decade. What kind of work are they being asked to do? New York Times Business. September 25, 5 o'clock America, New York. A path to financial security that doesn't lead to a 401k. Some Black and Hispanic millennials are looking to alternatives like real estate or entrepreneurship, or to trading stock on their own. Raoul Duplessis said he was alarmed at what he viewed as predatory targeting of young minority investors, so he started an online group to discuss investing strategies. New York Times Business. September 25, 5 o'clock America, New York. Want a can't-miss productivity tip? Forget about being productive. People and industries measure how productive they are in similar ways. This extended period of remote work for many has revealed how flawed that can be.
Forex Live. September 25, 3:50 America, New York. Bank of England responds to rising inflation. Central Bank Rundown Part 2. There was no change to interest rates and the split was 7-2 in favor of not altering the current target of £875 billion in bond purchases.
New York Times Business. September 25, 3 o'clock America, New York. Robinhood hits campus, where credit card companies fear to tread. The company plans to hit up college coffee shops to spread the word about its services. When credit card companies did it a generation ago, Congress got involved.
Armstrong Economics. September 25, 001 America, New York. New book confirms Biden corruption. The Post new book confirms Biden corruption first appeared on Armstrong Economics.
Daily FX Market News. September 25, 000 America, New York. Cryptocurrencies slammed by China ban. Twitter, TWTR, allows Bitcoin, BTC, tipping. Bitcoin, BTC, started the day on the front foot on the Twitter news before the latest China crypto ban hammered the market lower.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. September 24, 2344 America, New York. How to make housing more affordable. Many people believe that the main reason housing is expensive in coastal California is that land is so scarce. As the saying goes, they're not making any more land. That view is plausible. New York Times Business. September 24, 2215 America, New York. The surveillance apparatus that surrounded Britney Spears. An account by a former employee of the security team hired by Ms. Spears's father created the most detailed portrait yet of the singer's life under 13 years of conservatorship. Britney Spears in Las Vegas in 2018.
BBC News Business. September 24, 2023 America, New York. Lorry driver shortage. Government working on temporary visa scheme. A shortage of drivers has disrupted supply chains and fuel deliveries, with vehicles queuing for petrol. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 24, 1906 America, New York. Pfizer, FedEx, Nike. Stocks that defined the week. Here are 7 major companies whose stocks moved on the week's news.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 24, 1859 America New York, Theranos lab director describes raising alarms about faulty tests. Adam Rosendorf testified about what he called pervasive and persistent errors in the company's blood testing technology and his efforts to stop the startup from using its machines on real patients. New York Times Business. September 24, 1840 America New York, Cliff Freeman, adman who asked, "Where's the beef?" dies at 80. His humorous touch was evident in commercials for Wendy's, Little Caesars, Fox Sports and many other clients. "We have to win with wit," he once said. Cliff Freeman in 2005. New York Times Business. September 24, 1724 America New York, PG&E faces criminal charges over California wildfire. The charges, including manslaughter, arise from a blaze that killed 4 last year. A state inquiry said the utility's power lines were involved. The Zog Fire in Shasta County, California, burned more than 56,000 acres last year. New York Times Business. September 24, 1703 America New York, faith versus a full week of work. You shouldn't have to forego religious observance to do your job. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 24, 1643 America New York, United Airlines is fined $1.9 million for runway delays. The air carrier was cited for 25 flights the Transportation Department said violated its rule prohibiting long tarmac delays, with the largest fine it has issued for such violations.
Global Economy. September 24, 1637 America New York, IMF chief denies trying to boost China in World Bank rankings. Kristalina Georgieva pushes back on allegations of quid pro quo that threaten her job.
Forex Live. September 24, 1637 America New York, Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. USD moves higher as yields, Fed tapers sends the greenback higher. Forex news for North American trading on September 24, 2021. The CAD in the USD is ending the day as the strongest of the major currencies as the flow of funds into the CAD were by higher oil prices, and the US dollar continues to be supported by higher yields and perhaps a little flight to safety.